A stop payment fee is what Wells Fargo charges when you request them to prevent a check from being cashed or deposited after you've issued it. As of January 2026, Wells Fargo charges $33 per paper check for this service. This is used when a check is lost, stolen, or you need to halt payment due to a dispute. Banks charge stop payment fees to cover the cost of processing the request and manually intervening to prevent the check from clearing. This administrative work requires staff time and resources to handle each request properly. Processing involves searching the bank's internal systems for the check details and potentially contacting other financial institutions if the check is already in the clearing process. This coordination ensures the payment is stopped before funds are transferred. Additionally, the fee serves as a deterrent to prevent frivolous or unnecessary stop payment requests, encouraging customers to use this service only when truly needed. Wells Fargo has certain limits on stop payments to prevent abuse. Currently, you can make a maximum of 10 stop payment requests per account per month. This is in place to prevent misuse of the system. It is important to consider these limits before requesting multiple stop payments, as exceeding them may restrict your ability to make additional requests until the next month. To initiate a stop payment at Wells Fargo, you have several options. You can do so online through the Wells Fargo app or website, or by visiting a branch in person. For online requests, simply log into the Wells Fargo app or website and navigate to the stop payment section. This is the fastest and most convenient method. If you prefer in-person service, visit any Wells Fargo branch. You'll need to fill out a stop payment request form and submit it to a teller. Regardless of the method, you'll need to provide key details, including the check number, the payee name, the date it was written, and the amount. It's crucial to make your stop payment request before the check has been cashed or deposited. Once processed, Wells Fargo will hold the funds from your account until the check expires or the matter is resolved. Thanks to AI integration, processing times have been dramatically reduced from 24 to 48 hours to as little as 2 hours for verified requests. There are several effective ways to avoid the $33 Wells Fargo stop payment fee on paper checks. By choosing alternative payment methods, you can save money and streamline your transactions. One of the best approaches is to opt for electronic payment methods instead of paper checks. Services like Zelle allow you to send money instantly and cancel transactions if needed, typically without any fees. ACH transfers provide another electronic option for payments. This automated clearinghouse system processes payments securely through banks, and unlike paper checks, ACH transactions can often be reversed or canceled without incurring fees from Wells Fargo. Debit cards offer built-in dispute options that can help resolve payment issues quickly. If you suspect unauthorized charges or errors, you can dispute the transaction directly through your card issuer, often avoiding the need for a stop payment request altogether. Bill pay services offered by Wells Fargo or third-party providers can be an excellent alternative. As recommended by Consumer Reports, these services allow you to schedule and manage payments electronically, with options to cancel or modify transactions before they process. Ultimately, the most effective way to avoid stop payment fees is to prevent the need for them in the first place. Double-check payment details, use trusted vendors, and consider electronic alternatives from the start to maintain smooth financial transactions. With the rise of digital banking, paper checks are becoming less common. Digital alternatives offer secure and often free ways to send money, eliminating the need for stop payments altogether. Alternatives like Venmo, Apple Pay, and other digital payment platforms provide secure and often free ways to send money. These digital alternatives can eliminate the need for stop payments altogether. Stop payment usage has declined by 12% since 2020, reflecting this trend toward digital payments. It's crucial to understand that a stop payment is not guaranteed. If the check has already been cashed or deposited when you make the request, the stop payment will be unsuccessful and you will still be charged the fee. Time is of the essence when requesting a stop payment. Looking ahead, stop payments are evolving toward a more digital future. Currently, customers request stop payments through traditional methods, but this is changing rapidly. Banks are embracing automation in operations, including AI-driven processes that make banking more efficient and customer-friendly. A major trend is the shift to digital banking. Wells Fargo has seen a 15% year-over-year increase in app-based stop payment requests as more customers prefer convenient mobile solutions. Experts predict that by 2030, AI automation could make stop payments instant and free for verified digital requests, eliminating waiting times and fees for most users. Competition is driving innovation, with potential fee reductions or waivers for premium account holders. Some competitors have already experimented with fee-free stop payments for high-value customers. Keep an eye on regulatory changes. Pressures from groups like the CFPB may lead to fee caps or reforms, making banking services more affordable for all customers. The future of stop payments looks promising, with digital innovation and competition working to make this essential service faster, cheaper, and more accessible.